So the second scenario which creates these skill gaps is the unplanned attrition. So let's look at ways by which the factories can manage or address the challenges of skill gaps arising from unplanned attrition. So just like the way it is for the absenteeism, the unplanned attrition has a degree of culture element associated with it. And hence there is a role for HR department to play to actively work on inculcating a culture of informed attrition with a notice period. Now, this most of the managers would typically respond to say that, listen, this is very difficult because most of the employees they just decide to not show up because they got another job or they want to go back to their hometown or for any other reason they just do not want to show up anymore, and they don't even pick up their phones after that if they call, right? So they just disappear. Yes, this is definitely a challenge, but what we have seen is that there are factories where you have the ratio of employees serving notice period is reasonably high. So it is definitely possible to increase the rate if your rate is very low and you do not have that particular culture right now. So it may sound very difficult, but it is very much possible. And what it exactly means is that the employees should be giving a notice period, and to encourage that, there should be some kind of incentive structure for them to give that notice. Now, what is that notice period? So, the duration of that notice period should be short and it should be fair and rational. So, what does it mean by fair? Fair essentially means is that from a factory perspective, it is the time that is required to find a replacement and train a replacement to take that particular job. And if that period, let's say, is it takes 1 week or 2 weeks to find a replacement and 1 week of quick training for that operator to become ready to be productive in the line, then it should be that 2 weeks or 3 weeks of notice period. From an employee perspective, it should be as short as possible, so that it is fair for them. Because if the notice period is excessively long and they see that yes, this is something which is longer than what should ideally be required by the factories, then employees will simply not honor it. And to motivate the employees to give that notice period, it is also required to have some kind of incentive that motivates that particular behavior. And this incentive should be good enough again. So that is where the rational part comes in. This incentive for the employees to see value in serving that notice period as per the company policy.